So you did what with your hair?
I used box dye.
Box dye, oh my gosh. That's what this is.
Yeah.
What are you thinking about your hair?
Anything your heart desires.
Okay, so you're open.
Yes.
Okay, let's add like some movement and some body to your hair. You have gorgeous hair. Let's just bring it to life. Yes, gorgeous. Yes, girl. Yes. Let's talk about it. The box dye challenge. We've all been there. A client walks in with a history of home experiments and a goal that feels worlds away. Today, I'm gonna show you how I take a compromised, uneven canvas and turn it into a high-end, seamless berry melt that keeps your clients obsessed and your chair full. Hey everyone, I'm Alejandro Lopez. My passion is pushing the limits of what's possible with color correction and creative melting. Today's model came in with a history of box-dyed black hair and some at-home color removal. Leaving us with a raw, uneven level 5 canvas, we're going to neutralize that history and shift her into a rich dimensional berry melt using the power of Faction8. I also have the amazing Amanda Epstein helping me with the application today. To get the lift we need while maintaining the hair's integrity, I'm starting off with my sectioning. A horseshoe section on top and the remaining hair divided into traditional 4 quadrants. Starting in the back, I'm using backtease technique to ensure a soft transition. My weapon of choice, Blonde AF mixed at a 1 to 1.5 ratio with 20 volume. This gives me the consistency and the punch I need to cut through those old pigments. When I reach the horseshoe section, I'm over-directing everything forward and back combing again before applying lightener. We're going to let this process for 30 to 50 minutes. Pro tip, don't just set a timer and walk away. I'm rechecking every section throughout the process to see if I need to reapply lightener to ensure an even, clean lift. We're aiming for a solid level 8. Once we hit that level 8, we washed and rough dried the hair. Now it's time for the main event, the Faction8 Berry Melt. We're using the same sectioning as the lightening phase to stay organized. Here's our formula map. For the roots, we use Faction8 5-0 with 6 volume in a ratio of 1 to 2. For the midst, we use 5-22 plus 5-0 with 6 volume in a ratio of 1 to 2. For the ends, we use 2 ounces of -22 Violet Booster and ½ ounce of 6-22, ½ ounce of -66 Red Booster with 10 volume in a 1 to 1 ratio. I'm starting the application from the back to the front. First, I apply the root formula and about 2 inches down. Then I go in with my second formula on the midsections, being careful to leave those previously lightened pieces out for now. Once those 2 are deposited, I use my brush to blur the transition. Finally, I apply the third formula to all the lightened ends, blending everything together with my brush for that seamless melt. We'll process for 30 minutes, then it's time for the rinse and the big reveal. And there it is, the berry melt. We took a level 5 homework canvas and turned it into a sophisticated, multi-dimensional masterpiece. By using Faction8, we achieved incredible depth at the root with a vibrant, punchy finish on the ends. Now I want to see what you can do. Create your own signature look using Faction8 and tag me at artistic.aesthetics and at Pulp Riot Hair.